Hello students, today we are going to study algebraic expression for class 7, chapter number 6. So before studying the algebraic expression, let us warm up with the knowledge of class 6. What is variable? We want to study what is variable, we want to study what is constant, we want to study what is algebraic expression. So variable are the numbers which goes on changing. Okay. Variables are the numbers which goes on changing, and it is expressed by literal number like x, y, a, b, etc. So these numbers goes on changing. So they are called variable, and they are expressed by literal word x, y, a, b, literal alphabet. So they are called variables. But what is constant? Constants are, for example 4. It is a fixed number. It is a fixed number. So they are called constant. So fixed number are called constant. So example, I have given you 4. 4 is a fixed number. So the fixed number are called constant. Now what is an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is a combination of a literal number along with alphabet with plus or with minus or with multiply or with divide. So any literal number and a constant, when you exercise it or when you numerate it with plus, minus, multiply, divide, then it is called algebraic expression. Now let us review some exercise. Here a question is given: Sanjay is 12 years old. What will be his age after 7 years? So we do not know what is his age after 7 years. So we are going to consider his age after 7 years as x, or we can take it as a. So what is his present age? Present age is 12. After 7 years, what will be his age? His age will be added. After 7 years, it will be added. So 12 plus 7 equals to x. So we came to know what is the value of this x unknown quantity. 12 plus 7, it is 19. Similarly, like that, Sanjay is 12 years old. What was his age n years ago? N years ago. So for question number A, it is 12 plus 7 equals to x. But for question number B, the present age is 12. So what will be his age n years ago? N years ago, that means it is past. So it will be minus. 12 minus n is his age n years ago. Types of algebraic expression. Now we are going to study the types of algebraic expression. Number 1, monomial. Monomial is any algebraic expression which contains only one term, 4x. It is only one term. Or you can say as x, y squared. This is only one term. So this type of expression, algebraic expression, is called monomial. Next is binomial. 4x plus 3y. Here how many terms do you see? One term, two terms. There are two terms, so they are called binomial. Another, I can say you 4a squared plus 3b. Here two terms are there, so it is called binomial. Polynomial is any algebraic expression which has more than one. Binomial also can be called as polynomial. 3 terms also can call be as polynomial. 4 term also can be called as polynomial. For example, 4x plus 3b, 2 term. This also can be called as polynomial. 3a plus 2b minus 5, C. Here 3 terms are also called as polynomial. Polynomial means any algebraic expression which has more than one term that can be called as polynomial. Two term has got binomial, but binomial also can be called as polynomial. 3 terms are called trinomial. Trinomial also can be called as polynomial. So we are going to study now about factors. Factors means when any two numbers they are multiplied, or when any two literal numbers when they are multiplied, then they are called factors to one another. For example, 3 into 2 equals to 6. So these are called factors. 3 and 2 are called factors. Suppose if x and y are multiplied, then x is a factor of y and y is a factor of x. Or if 5 into x into y, if a numerical and a literal numbers are also multiplied, they are also called factors to one another. Now, in factors, there are two types of factors. There are two types of factors. They are, number one, numerical factor, and another is called literal factor. Literal factor. So here I give you an example. This is the numerical factor, and x and y are called the literal factor. Here x and y is the literal factor, and here 3 and 2 are called the numerical factors. Now we are going to study the power of a variable. What is the power of a variable? Say a is multiplied 3 times. We express it as a to the power 3. A is multiplied 3 times. We express it as a cube or a to the power 3. If x is multiplied 5 times, then we call it as x to the power 5. So what do we understand about the power? Power of a variable. If a literal number, or any number, a numerical number or literal number, if it is multiplied, how many times, that is expressed as here in terms of numbers, that is called power. If a literal number or a numerical is multiplied how many times is called power of the variable. Power of the variable or the constant term. So here is x is multiplied 5 times. So we express it as x to the power 5. A is multiplied 3 times. So a is expressed as a to the power cube. Now, mayam puna makna mama pa websingna ay video da comment obirei jamna haraujai kana gumana haibirei mete ron sukhra explanation to bire oina jam haraujai admana comment tarokodo মা বাবাগুলাই আমার ভিডিওগুলো দেখিয়ে কোনো জনে কমেন্ট করে যে বেঙ্গলিতে বা মণিপুরিতে এক্সপ্লেনেশন করার জন্য। তবে আমি আজকে পাওয়ার অফ এ ভেরিয়েবলের জন্য আমি বাংলাতে একটু এক্সপ্লেনেশন করব এবং মণিপুরিতে একটু এক্সপ্লেনেশন করব। পাওয়ার অফ এ ভেরিয়েবল মানে হইল একটা লিটারাল নাম্বার কত সংখ্যা পূরণ দিয়েছে। a পূরণ a পূরণ a 3 বার পূরণ হইতে আছে, তবে আমরা a টু দি পাওয়ার 3 যেটা এক্সপ্রেস করা হয় এটা হলো পাওয়ার 3 টা হলো পাওয়ার x 5 বার পূরণ করা হয়েছে এখানে x into x into x into x into x 5 বার পূরণ করা হয়েছে তবে আমরা এখানে x to the power 5 এই সংখ্যাটা হলো পাওয়ার তো পাওয়ার অফ এ ভেরিয়েবল মানে হলো একটা লিটারাল নাম্বার বা একটা সংখ্যা কতবার পূরণ করা হয়েছে ওটাকে মানে পাওয়ার বলা হয় হাইবদি literal number हाइबदी को अखोइगी a b c है ना एक्सप्रेस तो वसिंग से literal number है ना है literal number से कयारक पूर्ण तौनारे a से अहुम पूर्ण तौनारे a to the power 3 है ना है x से मंगारक पूर्ण तौनारे x to the power 5 है ना है अदुना power of a variable हाइब से करिनो है ना हरगा मसिंग अमखकी अखोइगी literal number में हाइब मसिंग दुगी कयारक हन्ना अखोइना मधु पूर्ण तौरी कयारक हन्ना मधु अखोइना पुरी रगे पुरी बा मसिंग दुबु अखोइना पावर है ना एक्सप्रेस तौदुबु पावर कौरी लिटरल नंबर अमखक कयारक अखोइना पुरी बा अदुगी पुरी बा मसिंग दुबु अखोइना पावर है ना एक्सप्रेस तौरी So now we are going to study about the like terms. So what are like terms? If any literal numbers, suppose here 7x, 2x, or maybe 5a squared and 3a squared. So if the literal numbers are same, no matter the coefficient may be different, if the literal number are same, then they are called like terms. Here literal number is also same and coefficient power is also same. Literal number and the power also must be same, then they are called like terms. Like terms की मरम देखा सकते हैं जगह like terms है वैसे अते करी सुनते alphabet पीरिबा letter तो मानरबदी coefficient तो मानद्रबसु alphabet तो मानरबदी मधु like terms कौरे असीदना alphabet सु मानबा power सु मानबा alphabet सु मानबा power सु मानबा coefficient मानद्रसु मधु like terms कौरे আমি like terms এর বিষয়ে একটু বলি যে সংখ্যা লিটারাল নাম্বার গুলা সমান কিন্তু কোফিসিয়েন্ট গুলা অন্য হইলেও 7 আর 2 সমান নাই কিন্তু x লিটারাল নাম্বার গুলা সমান লিটারাল সংখ্যা যদি সমান হয় কিন্তু নিউমেরিক্যাল সংখ্যা যদি সমান যদি না হয় তাকে আমরা লাইক টার্মস বলা হয় এইখানে লিটারাল নাম্বার এবং পাওয়ার লিটারাল নাম্বার এবং পাওয়ার সমান যদিও কোফিসিয়েন্টের সংখ্যা যদি সমান না হয় তবে আমরা এটাকে লাইক টার্মস বলা হয় আনলাইক টার্মস কাকে বলে Now we will study about the unlike terms. So here what do we see unlike terms? 7x, 7ab, 2y. Here the coefficient may be same, but the literal numbers are not same. Here you see y, here ab, here x. Here all of the literal numbers are not same. Here the literal number may be same, but the powers are not same. Here literal number is not same. Here literal number, these two are same, but the powers are not same. So these type of numbers are called unlike terms. Unlike terms kadai bu kobage coefficient manarabasu literal number do manadradi madu unlike term kaure. Masida literal number manarabasu power manadradi adusu unlike term kaure. Coefficient manarabasu literal number manadrabadi madu unlike terms kaure. Unlike terms kake bole coefficient jodi saman hoy কিন্তু লিটারাল সংখ্যা যদি সমান না হয় অ্যালফাবেটের সংখ্যা যদি সমান না হয় ওইটাকে আমরা আনলাইক টার্মস কই এখানে অ্যালফাবেট সমান কিন্তু পাওয়ার সমান নাই তো এটাকে কি বলা হয় আনলাইক টার্মস
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourself, do it for your family, do it for India. Let's break the chain of COVID-19. हम होंगे कामयाब। जय हिंद।